Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you the basement. It kind of flooded. Like, look at the basement. It like flooded. Like all the water came out of like the fish tank. Look at that fish tank. Look at the fish tank. Just like flooded. Guys, it literally flooded. Isn't that crazy, guys? Guys, look it down there. Like, look. Look, that looks cool, right? Right, guys?
When you started cutting all the wood, or the stuff up to here, and I like had an anxiety attack.
Woohoo!
Well, I called these people,
Can we open Christmas?
and they wanted $10,000.
Lisa?
We humped until 5.
Did you get me any presents?
Scotty humped.
Did you get me any presents?
That's ridiculous.
You know what? Here, I'm gonna tell you something.
What?
I got you one present, but you know what?
What?
I have 2 more, but I couldn't get them finished because my basement has flooded.
But you know what? You
But
got
I'm
enough
gonna-
today and you don't be selfish and you
I'm
be
not.
thankful
But
that you got
no.
something.
I have some really cool stuff for you, but I have to wait because my basement flooded, but I did get you something cool as hell today.
Can I open it?
Not right now.
Not yet.
We have to wait. But hey, we don't be
He's gonna
selfish.
give
Okay?
it to you.
Okay.
Stop. Don't I hate that.
Okay, Shelby.
See what?
They call me cheating all the time.
That's what
Stop.
Emily and Clara do to their mom. They call her Michelle. I'm like, my kids are Michelle.
Stop! Give me my
Okay, Shelby.
Shelby. I hate that name.
I don't care, Shelby. I don't care, Shelby.
Don't go down there, dude.
It's a mess. Why don't you go look for the cats?
This is Mr. Mom Tanks.
Okay, go. Go see what Tyler's doing. He's probably peeing. Maybe pooping.
Teresa, what the?
You told me to.
Go sit over
I
there.
have like,
Hey, hey.
My mom told me to.
Is he in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh.
Probably under taking a poo.
You know.
Okay, I'm gonna take this whole thing away.